Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today is my 49th birthday! Thank you so much to my honey bunch and my kids for preparing this simple celebration yet meaningful because we are all together. Alam nyo mga lalabs, nakagisnan na namin na kahit wala gaanong budget, kailangan mag-celebrate kahit papano tuwing my birthday. So, nakasanayan natin na kailangan may pansit para pampahaba ng buhay. And of course, isa to sa celebration natin na tayo nagpapasalamat at nadagdagan na naman ang taon na tayo pa rin ay buhay. 4th year birthday din pala ng aming mga doggies, si Branger at si Bonnie. Kaya happy birthday to us! And here comes another surprise birthday cake from my colleagues. Thank you so much to my Co-Fitness family. Alam niyo guys, isa-surprise daw nila ako. But actually, hindi naman. Kasi, papunta pa lang ang cake ay nakikita ko na sila sa CCTV. Kaya, nag-act na rin ako na kunyari surprise pero di ko mapigilan ang tawa ko. Dahil talaga namang nakakatawa. Kaya, thank you so much sa napakasarap na cake from Mary Grace. Mahal siya and thank you. I wish all my wishes will come true. Yay! Ayan guys, so may paganyan-ganyan pa ako. Pak, ganern. Diba? That's all mga lalabs. Don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel. Goodbye!